Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are like me and obsessed with ceramics, then you are going to want to get yourself one of these.
This terracotta ceramic bowl from Bursera is so beautiful. It can hold things like your Palo Santo, your candles, matches, even your lighter, and it just makes such a beautiful space. I love that you can use this as a candle holder, but if you also are into making your own candles, they say that you can make one and pour it in here as well. It is a handcrafted bowl with raw terracotta and a white speckled glaze that really gives it this organic, timeless aesthetic. It is just so perfect and stylish and really just adds so much to your space.
I love how versatile this is. And as a ceramics lover, this is just something I am so happy to have in my collection. Bursera has done an incredible job with it, and I highly recommend it to anyone. And that's my point of view.